This is the third class of graphical function. Here is a question. Observe the graph of f of x. Write the value of f of minus 4 and f of 1. Write the domain and range of f and define the function. Here, observe the graph of f of x. Observe the graph of f of x. Here is two graphical lines from one to right side of the graph according to the x-axis or parallel to x-axis, and the other line is this. It goes left side according to x-axis. It is not a perpendicular any point in x-axis or y-axis. It is a perpendicular line. It is a perpendicular graphical line. Why? This is parallel to x-axis. X-axis is perpendicular to y-axis with y-axis. Here, this line parallel to x-axis and it represents only minus 2 in y-axis. That is important. And the end of the graphical line is closed. That means closed interval. It begins from 1 according to the x-axis. And the end of the second line is empty. That means 1 in the x-axis is not including with this line. Okay. Observe the graph. We observed this line begins from 1 of x-axis and goes right side. This line begins from 1, but 1 is not included. Why? This is open interval. Open 0. Open 0 indicates open interval. 1 is not included. But here 1 is included. Look, one point is here. Minus 3, 3. Minus 3, 3 indicates the distance from the x point, x axis is 3 and the distance from y axis is 3. We have studied about coordinates and distance. The relation between coordinates and distance. The distance from x-axis to the point becomes y coordinate and the distance from y-axis becomes the x coordinate. Distance has no sign, but the coordinate has sign. We know how to add the signs. First quadrant x and y positive. Here x negative, y positive in second quadrant. In the third quadrant both positive. And the fourth quadrant x positive, y negative. Okay. We must know that whenever a point's x-axis and y-axis in same number, in such occasions the sign is not considered. In such occasion the sign of the number is not considered. Okay. Now we are observing the graph and we get some instructions from the graph. Here is minus 3, 3, a point, and we must know this in this graphical line where a point, the coordinates of any point in this line, x coordinates is minus 2, y coordinates is 2. In this quadrant, here the coordinates of x of any point is minus and y is positive. Minus 2 is the x coordinate. The points y coordinates should be positive 2. Okay. The first question is that write the value of minus 4. F of minus 4. F of minus 4 means f of minus 4 minus 4 x coordinate. What is its y coordinate? That is very important. F of minus 4 is equal to, instead of x coordinate is minus 4. What is the y coordinate? All of we know that in this particular graph, x coordinate is minus 4 and the y coordinate is positive 4. Okay. F of minus 4 is equal to 4. F of minus 4 is equal to 4 by minus 3. Minus 3. Okay. F of 1 is equal to f of 1. F of 1 is the 1 is in fourth quadrant. 1 is in fourth quadrant. Here we know something that 1 includes in this graphical line or this graphical line. Here not comes 1. Why? Here is open interval, open 0. So here not comes 1 in this line, but here is closed interval. In second line here is closed interval. So 1 includes the second graphical line. Okay. F of 1 is equal to all of we know that this line is perpendicular to minus 2. So the y coordinates of any point in this line is equal to minus 2. Once y coordinate minus 2. 2's y coordinate minus 2. 3's f of 1 is equal to minus 2. Okay. What is the next question? Write the domain and range of f. Write the domain and range of f. Domain, range. The domain represents x coordinates. Here one graphical line goes right side from 1, but 1 not includes, and second line goes right path. That means domain is R. Domain is R. Why? This graphical line starts from 1, not including 1, and this graphical line starts from 1, includes 1. So left side and right side goes this graphical line. So domain is, then we must find out the range. Range is y representative, y coordinates. What is the y coordinates? Y coordinates is it. Here 1 not include this line. 1 not includes this line. So minus 1 not including this line is 45 degree. Minus 3, 3. Minus 1, minus 1. But here not includes 1. So minus 1 not includes in range. Okay. Minus 3, 3. Here fourth quadrant. X positive, y minus. 1 not including, so minus 1 not including this range. Okay. Minus 1 not includes in range. Why? 1 not includes this graphical line. And minus 1 not includes but it goes upside. It goes upside. This line's range is -1 open interval. Open interval. Why? -1 not includes. And upside positive infinite. Positive infinity. Positive infinity. Okay? And according to this line, only one number is range. That is -2. That is -2. So -1 positive infinitive union -2. This is the range. This is the range. Okay? This is the range. How domain becomes R? Domain is the representative of x coordinates. X line, x axis is this. Here, without one starts a graphical line to left. Here, including one, the graphical line goes right. That means all real numbers are the domain. And range is the coordinates of the y axis, y representatives. Here -1 not include. This graphical line goes upside. So -1 not included. So here comes open interval. And it goes upside positive infinity. So here positive infinity. Here is two lines without contact. So here comes two ranges. This domain is connected. Why? This line's finishing line near to 1 and this line starts from 1. So this is connected, but range is not connected. Okay. Union -2. Here is two graphical line. One's range open interval -1 infinity. Union -2. Such occasions we must write range like this. Okay. What is the next question? Define the function. How can we define this function? Here we must know that here two graphical lines. So the function define f of x is equal to here -3 y positive 3. That means -x is range. Why? Here -3 is x. X is equal to -3. Y is equal to -3 is equal to 3 positive 3. Okay? X is equal to -3. This point. X is equal to -3. Y is equal to -6. -6 means minus the value of x -3. Minus into minus positive 3. Look here. X is -4. Y is equal to minus into -4 is equal to positive 4. Is equal to positive 4. Okay. Range is -x if x less than 1. If x less than 1. If not including. If x including 1. Okay. And then -2 becomes -2 if x greater than or equal to 1. Okay. F of x is equal to -x. -x means the first coordinates in such occasion minus x is equal to y. Minus x is equal to y. If x is lower than 1, range is minus x. Okay. Here minus 3, x, the value of x is minus 3. Minus into minus 3 is equal to positive 3. Okay. And minus 2 comes as range if x greater than or equal to 1. X greater than or equal to 1. It is the easy way. First, second, 3. What is the third question? Define the function. F of x is equal to minus x if x lower than 1, minus 2 if x greater than or equal to 1. Okay, this is easy method. We have domain and range. Domain and range. Range includes two lines. One minus 1, positive infinity. Positive infinity. Minus 1 not includes. When x lower than 1, x lower than 1, y lower than x, the graphical line goes left side. Okay. The more going to left side, the value of x coordinate decreases. Okay. Minus x if x lower than 1. Okay. And minus 2 when if x greater than or equal to 1. Equal to 1. I think you can understand this problem. If you cannot understand this problem, you can ask me, you can tell me, and I will try again and again to make you understand this problem. Okay.